You've heard the same advice your whole life. If you want to build something real, then you're going to have to go all in. You're going to have to quit your job, burn the boats, make it happen. But that advice has kept you exactly where you currently are because you're not reckless. You've got real responsibilities, a career, you got bills, maybe even a mortgage, a family potentially counting on you, and essentially too much to lose to bet it all on a maybe. So here's what nobody's going to tell you, but I'm going to do it today. There's a way to absolutely build a six-figure income with a cleaning business without ever touching your job, your paycheck, your weekends. And it's not a someday version of a business, it's a real one. And by the end of this video, you're going to see exactly how it works. So here's the first thing I need you to understand. Like I said earlier, most people believe you have to quit your job to do anything worthwhile. And for a lot of businesses out there, that's kind of true. Personally, I've started several where they eat every waking hour you've got when you're not working. And it makes it impossible to do them if you have a full-time job and a life you're not willing to blow up. But this one's different. And it all comes down to one word, or two, the model. I talk about business model a lot on this channel because the model has been the single biggest difference between my winners in business and my losers. And here's the mistake almost everyone makes, including myself many times. They say what the business is and they assume that's the model, but it's not. That's just the vehicle. The model is how you actually build it. Pick the wrong model and yeah, you're gonna be quitting your job just to survive it. Pick this one and do it right and you have a business equivalent to a grand slam. If you're new here, my name is Mike Mack. I have built and exited 2 commercial cleaning companies. I'm now building my 3rd from scratch in a brand new state where nobody knows me. And I'm currently building my 3rd from scratch right now in a brand new state while living a very, very demanding schedule. And that is exactly the point. See, for me, it feels so good to be in the driver's seat with a cleaning business again. And that's because I'm reminded that we're doing it one account at a time, no big deal, no chaos. I am 2 yeses away from $25,000 per month, and that is just phase 1. It's a beautiful pace because it's predictable. I have very smooth seas with this business, where a lot of others will drag you through the mud. So let me show you why this model is going to let you build something awesome while you can actually keep your job. It all comes down to how the sales work. I've been thinking a lot about this, right? You focus on landing one great client every month, maybe one every 60 days if you want to take it a little bit slower. But when you land this client, I'm not talking about some $250 house clean. It's a $5,000 per month office clean, locked in for at least the next 12 months, but let's be real, usually a whole lot longer. And once it's yours, you don't have to sell that person ever again. So the name of the game is you lock one in on the side at the pace that you want without it ever creeping on your calendar. Then when you're ready, you go out and get your next office contract. Do this for 6 to 8 months. You're gonna be looking up at 5 premium office contracts paying you recurring revenue month after month. And let me kill a belief that could be getting in the way. When I say premium offices, I'm not talking about skyscrapers or stadiums. No, these are medium-sized offices. I mean, normal buildings. The magic isn't in the size, it's in the frequency. Said plainly, it just means they get cleaned 5 or 6 nights per week. That frequency is the whole thing. And that right there is what makes the money real and keeps the work off your plate. Now, here's the part that's going to flip everything for you, and I'm excited to deliver it. And that is keeping your paycheck. It isn't a limitation, it's your biggest advantage. Because the second you land your first client, it changes the game. The first client is going to pay for your marketing. The business starts feeding itself. And since you don't need to pull a single dollar out at first, then that means you're gonna let your first client pay for the client after that, and the one after that, and the one after that. And if you do it that way, then you get to grow so much faster because you're being more aggressive. So your job is not holding you back in any way. If anything, it's allowing you to get this business into motion without hurting its momentum. And another awesome advantage to holding on to your job while you're building this thing is you get to hire a manager super early. Meaning you get to take your best cleaner and promote them into a supervisor role at night. And by the time you've got 2 to 3 offices, you've got a business that is mostly running itself about 90% of the way. It does still need you to lead it, which can be done from the Slack app on your phone. And you also will need to keep landing accounts. But like I said earlier, that could be done in 1 to 2 hours per day, 5 days per week. So do you ever have to quit your job to grow? I mean, is there gonna come a time where you have to choose the business or your career? Absolutely not, and here's why. Getting to that first $25,000 per month, that's phase one. And phase one is going to do 3 things for you at once. First is you're gonna be earning 6 figures on the side, so that your job is gonna become optional. Now you can keep it because you want to, but it's not gonna be because you have to. And that's because of the system that you've built for this cleaning company is a simple one. And the reason why is because every new account, your manager is going to onboard it, train the cleaners, and keep it running smooth. If a cleaner calls out at night, that's your manager's problem to solve, right? It's not gonna be yours. You stay insulated. Then phase 2 is that $50,000 phase, $50,000 per month. And that's at that point, you're promoting another cleaner to manager. I don't wanna get ahead of myself because phase 1 is so important. And honestly, for most people, they end up staying at phase 1 because why not? But I'm letting you know how I think about it. I'm 2 yeses away from completing phase 1, and then I'm gonna jump into phase 2. And lastly, phase 3 to me is just crossing that 7-figure mark. And that's using the same model, going at the same pace. Now, I know what you may be thinking. Mike, I barely have time as it is. This is all very persuasive, but how am I supposed to run a business on top of my job? Let me remind you, you just take it one account at a time. It's not going to run away from you. I want to tell you the story. A few years ago, my wife was nervous about starting with a new fitness trainer. She was like, babe, I want to be toned, but I don't want to get all bulky. And I told her, I was like, you're not going to wake up jacked tomorrow, right? That's just not how it works. It's a progression. And she goes, yeah, you're right. See, it's the same exact thing here. You're not going to wake up tomorrow to a calendar that just exploded overnight. The demand from this business is not just gonna hit you all at once. It's going to move at the pace that you set. So you wanna land a new office contract every 30 days? Go for it. You wanna take 60 days and keep everything super smooth? Perfect. It's your rate. And no, you don't have to go full time to scale it. As it grows, sure, it's gonna need more attention, but that attention doesn't have to come from you. That's what your manager and your systems are for. Now, let me make the 6-figure income on the side real because I don't want to do fantasy math. 5 premium office contracts at $5,000 per month is $25,000 per month. That's 6 figures a year and then some, while your paycheck continues to land in your account like it normally does. You now have this business also pouring into your account every month. That's the magic of it. So here's the truth you're not gonna find in most places on the internet. You were never supposed to bet your life to build something real. You can actually keep your job, keep your paycheck, keep the extra security that you've built, and still build a 6-figure asset on the side, one account at a time. You don't have to choose between the two. You get to do both. And if you want my help building it the right way, the right model, the right clients, all around your busy schedule, click the first link in the description, book a call, talk with my team, see how we can help you do this step by step without it getting away from you. We've been doing this for a long time now, and we have a ton of happy customers that are in a very, very similar spot. If you want to know a little bit more about the model first to wrap your mind around everything, watch this video right here. It's going to be a great asset for you. I'll see you over there.